Hey folks, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the change template ownership function. So basically what the change template ownership functionality does is that it allows you to assign access to all your templates to another user. This system can be used if, for example, your old owner of the G-Accon template isn't available or on leave. So when you use this feature, it's going to change all the ownership of all the documents in this specific folder. So how can you utilize this function? So first, go over to extensions in the menu bar, scroll down to G-Accon for Xero, and then scroll down and find tools, and then click change template ownership. So here you're going to enter and confirm the email of the new owner that you want to have access to all of the documents. If done successfully, all your documents in that folder will be moved to your newly selected owner. Then your next step is to just make sure that your new owner of those documents have a G-Accon license. And of course, if they don't, it's an easy fix. All they have to do is to sign up for a G-Accon license. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for sticking around, and be sure to check out our new upcoming videos.